Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. Thank you so much for staying with us. My name is Hem Kaur Saroya and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you right now. Chief Justice of India receives a report from Delhi High Court Chief Justice on alleged recovery of cash from Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Verma. CJI may take a decision on setting up an inquiry panel today. Days after Indian PhD student Ranjani Srinivasan self-deported after a US visa was revoked, External Affairs Ministry says Indian students in the US must comply with local laws. In his latest move against his Democratic opponents, US President Donald Trump revoked security clearances for former Vice President Kamala Harris, former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton and others.
But Canada has been a very nasty negotiator against the United States, took advantage of the United States for a long time. But nobody knows that they were getting 270% tariffs on dairy products.
Donald Trump calls Canada a very nasty negotiator during a conversation with reporters in the Oval Office, reiterates his claim the country should become the 51st United States state. Russia launches deadly attack on Zaporizhzhia, striking residential areas with 12 Shahed drones. A 41-year-old man and his 14-year-old daughter killed, 9 others, including a baby, injured. Israeli Defense Minister Israel Katz threatens to annex parts of Gaza Strip unless Hamas militants release remaining Israeli hostages. Warning came as Israel presses renewed assault it launched on Tuesday. Clashes break out between police and protesters as thousands rally for the third night against the arrest of Istanbul's mayor Ekrem İmamoğlu, defying a warning from President Erdogan. Heathrow Airport stirs back to life with flights slowly resuming about 18 hours after an inferno at an electrical substation caused a power outage that shuttered Europe's busiest air travel hub and left 200,000 passengers stranded. Bangladesh former Prime Minister Khalida Zia's BNP says it has no objection to the return of Sheikh Hasina's Awami League to politics under a clean leadership after Bangladesh interim government says it has no plans to ban it. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.